Welcome to house number 1, a modern architectural concept design with an exact footprint of 33 by 39 feet. The exterior facade achieves a striking visual balance by blending sleek white concrete surfaces with organic vertical wood slats and rugged stone cladding. This strategic combination of raw materials not only adds structural rhythm and visual depth, but also beautifully anchors the home to its surrounding geometric landscape. Stepping inside, the interior spaces are unified by a dominant palette of warm oak wood and textured stone accent walls that seamlessly mirror the exterior's natural motif. These organic materials are intentionally paired with soft, neutral textiles and expansive glass to maximize natural light and blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. This cohesive material selection demonstrates the power of biophilic design, evoking a deep sense of groundedness, warmth, and serene calm for its inhabitants. House number 2. This 33 by 39 feet concept design beautifully demonstrates the transformative power of exterior illumination. Strategic uplighting on the stone pillars and tall cypress trees, combined with the striking internal glow of the linear pool, creates a dramatic yet welcoming evening ambiance. This layered outdoor lighting approach not only accentuates the home's Mediterranean architectural textures, but also seamlessly extends its grandeur into the surrounding landscape. Moving indoors, the interior architecture actively utilizes expansive glass windows and doors to harness natural daylight as a dynamic design element. This generous glazing allows sunlight to flood the living spaces, casting shifting shadows that emphasize the rich tactile qualities of the exposed wooden ceiling beams and rustic stone walls. Ultimately, this strategic use of glass not only minimizes the need for artificial daytime lighting, but also visually expands the footprint of the home by framing the serene outdoor scenery.